Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary. I've been collaborating with them for a really long time on my channel, and one particular type of wig seems to come up over and over and over again, and today is no exception. So let's give a warm welcome back to them. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 360-degree Yaki body wave glueless frontal wig. This comes with the invisible straps that you pull, tighten, and that makes it a ponytail wig. Let's jump into the unboxing portion so you can see more details about this wig and why it's so special.
I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. Moody. But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will you?
Okay, making sure that my straps, my invisible straps, are visible. And I'm just gonna position the wig. These wigs tend to fit smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and remove just a tiny bit of lace here. I'm gonna come back once the wig is secured down, and then we're gonna style.
But Emmanuel is still God within me. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float.
Ooh, that's looking like that is my hair, and you can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I've been feeling the like natural sideburns lately. See, that looks like, yeah, that's her hair, right? Okay, and now we can adjust the strap. So we take the strap, pull it tight. That's one.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need.
Yaki texture is beautiful. It gives realistic. This looks like this is my hair. The fact that we can put it up in a ponytail, it's a bit me. It really looks like it's growing out of my scalp after I did some lace tinting and plucked a few, and I did secure her down because I wanted her to look like that's my hair. You can see how realistic this looks. Like no one would be able to tell that this is a wig.
Losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me. Love me for the leisure, only for the...
Ooh, this is cute. I kind of like it like messy like this. Like wavy. This is one of the other styles. This is a go-to style that I always do when I have a ponytail wig or a 360 wig because it just looks so flattering. So definitely recommend. But from here, we take it and we elevate it and then we transform it into the bun. there you have it, friends. This is the final result. You saw that I put it in a bun really easily. You can just wear this in a ponytail or a bun or down. If you want a wig that you have a lot of options on wearing, this is a great option for you. Now, I would say that the curls don't really hold in this wig, and that's just that. Like, I tried curling it, I tried spraying some hairspray, but it did tend to like fall. So if you're going to curl this wig, I would suggest curling it ahead of time, curling it like the night before and leaving it like pinned, and then take it down. It'll probably hold a better curl. Still absolutely beautiful, and I would definitely recommend. The color is so pretty. You will love it. It's like an ashy chocolate brown, so it's not like brassy. It's just gorgeous. Check them out before you go, and I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye now.